Hello and welcome to Mateusz Lux Auto. Today we're at Lagnat's facility to change our tires. Today's video will be about tips how to change your tires. Many or most of the luxury vehicles have air suspension, so you need to make sure your vehicle is properly set for changing tires. With this car, you go to Settings, Vehicle Settings, Chassis, and select your car jack mode. Most of you change tires in your own garage. Make sure your car is leveled, parking brake applied, and the car is secure from rolling. Check your own car manual for jack and lifting platform where the markings are. Depending where you live, most of us have to change tires usually twice a year. Usually around mid-October for winter ones and mid-April for summer ones. It is recommended to put summer tires when the temperature is constantly above 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So when you're changing tires, you should also look at the tread wear. So for instance, you can measure how much tread you have left. This is for summer tires, and this is my winter tires. And then you can read it if it's good to keep or if you should change it. Examine for any damage, stones, nails, or other sharp objects. When using a car jack in your garage, I would slightly loosen the wheel bolts before raising the car. In this situation, the car is on a professional car lift, so I'm loosening the wheel bolts now. Always wear gloves for better grip and for keeping your hands clean. When mounting tires, make sure the tread pattern is pointed in the right way. If your vehicle is equipped with nicely painted calipers, it's a good time to clean them when you're changing tires. I always use anti-seize lubricant, which helps to prevent seizing, galling, and corrosion of metal parts. These pins will help you mount your wheels, and I put them across from each other. A torque wrench is an essential tool when changing tires. The torque wrench is only for tightening wheel bolts, not loosening them. So for this vehicle, it's 118 foot-pounds or 160 Newton meters. Then I take my previously set torque wrench. I'm using the extension so I don't damage the rims. And just nicely do this. Once you hear that sound, this is good, and you can go to your next bolt. And when I put the wheel bolts on, I usually put them not in the same direction. So one here, one there, one here, one over there. And so you can use a white chalk to identify the original position of your tires. As you can see, I use a paper, front and then rear right. So then I know for the next time that it has to go on that side. And then if you have tote bags, that's even better. But then before you put your winter wheels or summer wheels into tote bags, make sure you wash them. Now it's time to inflate the tires. Check the recommendation for your vehicle in your car manual. When storing a torque wrench, you should always wind it down to the minimum scale setting. When everything is set and all done, then you should go to your car again, your settings, your vehicle settings, and tires. Make sure you select proper tires, so 21 all season. Chassis, click off car jack mode, and you will be ready to go.